good morning, team. Welcome to another day in profit. Let us find a profitable setup. And that's what we just did. We just entered, I told the team. And we're looking for this monster buy. Morning, team. I told the Discord that we are pretty much gonna get clapped. Boom. Ouch. So that one was close. That one was real close. But what has me weary is this 4 hour. I think it's actually gonna sell today, bro. See what's up. Wants to take out those London lows and shit. It's probably gonna come down to this next level, to be honest. To be honest. Lost a little bit more than I wanted to on that one. Oh, 1100, not bad. Okay. It's coming down hard. Coming down. We got 10 a.m. news, so it's pretty much what I'm worried about. Let's see what we got. We just broke lows. Just broke lows. Pulling down hard. Let's see. We're definitely gonna get a slammer. It's gonna be something crazy. About to get a smacker on here.
Started from the bottom, now I'm living my dream. Trading every day with Motion Capital Trading. These guys don't play. Like, comment, and subscribe. You will not regret it.
Setting up right now. This might be it. Discord. Entered on the Nas. All right, so we're floating on the Nasdaq once again. Just let the team know. Try to make back most of what we lost with the first trade. First entry. Yep. So I let the team know that we are in a live trade with the Nasdaq. Hopefully we can hit this target with no issues. Pulling back a little bit. Not really what I want to see. Give it some room. One of our entries got clipped. Ooh. 2 losses. It's probably going to sell today, but I'm trying to follow this 10 o'clock regimen. The news is coming up. I did say that if it hits this area, it's going to bounce. So, set out the C block tapping in. Let's go. It's a sell day. I know that. So far, but there's 10 a.m. news, and I'll be able to make it back. Got stopped out twice. The first trade, I should have avoided it because it didn't take out any lows, so I technically should have only entered once. This breaking structure right here. This is a 15-minute, and this is the 4-hour. To the left, this 4-hour zone is being taken out, and then we got another one down here. This shit might continue to fall, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. But what I will say is that if it gives me another signal, I'm gonna enter. The ATR is pretty wide too, so technically I should only be doing like 2 entries. Buying this now again. Stopped. Stopped out. Yeah, horrible day. With this idea, got news in 15. So it's really gonna drag this shit out. It's just going and going and going and going. Really, any one of these patterns could go though. It's almost gonna hit our level, so I might as well wait for that. I literally got one more trade in me, but hella losses this morning, bro. 10 a.m. news is the worst, bro. $10 a.m. news, bro. So it's hitting our level. It's about to. It really fucking dragged this shit out till news. Realistically, I would have had 2 losses. So I should only be down 1,000 right now. In the perfect world. I'm gonna give the team one more. Big ATR candle. So we're in. Okay, we are in floating right now. $500-600. Hopefully we could get towards our target. Got news coming out in about 11 minutes. So hopefully we can get something to smack. Floating about 30 points right now. 50. Okay, we're flowing two grand. I think we caught one. I think we caught one. After 2 losses. Target 1 just about hit. I'm holding it until after news though. Or through news. Might get some drawdown. Just don't worry. I'm hoping that it breaks this 20 right here. Damn, I was just floating. This one should work. Just an entry on the Nasdaq. Was floating. Let's see this take off like a rocket.
Fear is definitely not a factor for motion capital trading. They have nuts of steel. They place orders for like thousands a day. Oh yeah, trust me. If you haven't seen them yet, go on YouTube and watch their shit. They're incredible, incredible. I absolutely recommend them. Best traders on YouTube, hands down.
Still an entry on the Nas. Let's see. Got news in 8 minutes, so it should take off. Drive price up. Ultimately, we would end up making thousands if our big target hits, and it's going to break the 20. It seems it's coming back up. Not the drawdown that I really wanted today, but we had some bumps. We had 2 losses back to back, and then 1 smacker. Ultimately, if I was managing risk properly, I would have wanted to lose 500 per setup, but that didn't happen today. I kind of over leveraged, so let's see if we're gonna actually make it. It's back at entry right now. I think it's stalling. It's stalling for news. Unless this 20 actually does come down, and then it might wreck our fucking account. Yeah, it might, because the level is down here. I don't think we touched the level yet, but it might. We're like in the middle of a level. Honestly, if I risk managed properly, I would have took it up here and just been done. Because it's kind of a risk to hold during news. But we got news in 7 minutes, and I'm kind of curious on what it's going to do. It might make a new low for news, and I would have to enter like around news. And that's something I really wouldn't want to do. If we could just break and come up, it's like 200 points from entry. It's just a lot. It's a lot. Don't get me wrong. 200 points is a lot. But my stop loss alone is like 50 points. It's a 70-point stop loss, so 5 times that. I'm really supposed to be getting 300 points off of this, so let me drag one of these to 300. It's a huge 1 minute candle. Like this candle right here alone was 70 points, so I should have only entered probably once to fully manage my risk. See, $700 risk. I entered 3 times, so I'm basically over leveraged. So I should have measured it, but hopefully we could get a pop. If not, it's all good. See, my drawdown was hit. Let me jump back in this trade real quick. Hold on. It might lose though. And if it does lose, then technically I should have been out at this moving average though. So I ain't gonna sit here and lie to you like I shouldn't have hopped out. Kind of a sloppy day, man, to be honest, with managing risk. This today kind of showed me that I gotta manage my risk a lot better. I ain't gonna hold you. So I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I make mistakes too. market is moving so fast. But yeah, technically this would have been a break-even trade with the runner. Still no loss yet because we didn't hit our stop. So let me hurry up and enter this trade again for the team and do it properly.
Incoming mail.
Okay, so it's coming back. But technically, I gotta go down a size in my lot size. Okay, so I'm basically risking about 500 now, like how I'm supposed to on this trade. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I'm back in. So we're still floating in this trade right now, waiting for news. Technically, I could have got out and it would have been a break-even trade. So, I mean, we'll see what's up. I wouldn't have got a runner today if that's what you're thinking, but I got another account, so we'll see if we could get a runner on this. But starting to lose my patience a little bit. Let's see if we could drag this one to 300 points. Yeah, this is 300 points right here. I might enter one more time, real low right here. Let me give it some wiggle room. It's only $100 more risk for a potential $3,000 day. So I think it's worth it. I wouldn't have been able to do this if I didn't size down. I sized down on my lots. Excuse me. News coming out in 2 minutes. Will this trade survive? And it's got stopped out. 3 losses today. We just hit our level, so maybe, you know what? I'm only going to trade off of the big levels. I think that's what it's telling me, especially. Okay. It was a tough day today. I accept that. Stopped out. It's kind of embarrassing. It's kind of embarrassing, bro. Kind of sucks. Yeah, it kind of sucks, bro. Today was a loss. Today was a loss. Well, it wouldn't have been a loss if I just took one trade under here, and then right now I'm gonna see what's up. So, news hit. This is break even. We got another trade, so I probably would have took. Maybe 2 losses, 1 win. So, but I'm gonna enter one more time. Like right now. It's already hitting the moving average, which I don't like. Excuse me. See how we hit stop loss, came back up. We're at break even. Such a tough day. when I reduce my lot size, it's still over leveraged. So just got to be careful, man. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do 300 on this. This one, 600 right here. Yeah, this is it. It's gonna take off now. It's over. Oh man, what a tough day. What a tough day. So at 10 o'clock, 2 losses, 1 win, and this one should freaking win, bruh. I gotta start trailing it right at the moving average, man. I gotta stop playing myself, man. So let's see if we're gonna actually hit this target. Couple of losses, but hey, comes with it. If it loses on this trade, I'm done. Done for today. Tomorrow is FOMC, I believe. It's not breaking this 20 like I wanted to. Okay, here we go. Here's the juice. There we go. We got another smacker.
If you want to start trading, stop fucking around, subscribe to Motion Capital Trading. They got what you need to get started and become the Terminator of trading. Take it from me and stop fucking around.
So another smacker for us live on stream. After taking a little dip here on the Nasdaq.
You can't keep getting away with it! You can't keep getting away with it! You won't.
Best team on freaking stream. See those floaters. Actually move my stop loss up. Protect my risk. See if we could get it to shoot all the way up. If it actually keeps going, it's probably going to hit highs of the session. I got to be more patient on days like this. But actually my level hit, and that's why I was able to get a maybe get this win here. Loading 1,000. We're in profit for the day on this account. Took 2 losses. Was down 1,000. Now I'm floating 1,000 on this trade. Back at break even. Let's see if it's actually gonna take off. If you get stopped out, that's it for the day. I'm going back to bed. It's 10:07 Eastern Standard Time. Just a complete fake out day, bro. Yeah, that's it. Today was horrible. Today is supposed to drop, so me doing this makes no fucking sense. I just figured that the 10 a.m. news was gonna hold up. I ended up not doing that. Yeah, that's it. Tough day, lost day, first lost day in a while. I mean, I'm just not gonna fight it. I guess the higher time frame wants to drop. I knew that. But I just didn't know if it was gonna drop now or later. This trade is kind of holding up still, but I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like where it's at. I don't like what it's doing around this area. I don't like it. So I'm gonna sit out. I'll probably hang out with y'all for a couple more minutes, but it ain't buying, bro. It ain't buying. I just figured that since it's 10 a.m. news, then I'll probably get like a nice little run. And we did on this trade right here, but it wasn't enough to make back these 2 losses that I had. Made some of it back. Yeah, so 2 losses, 1 break even. It's not a probable day for buys. I could have gotten in to sell, but this is where the market opened. It kept dropping. It dropped for a while. It was a big drop. So it was a 250 point drop. Not too bad. Where it opened up was tough. It was the 4-hour opened up. It took out the low right here. Then it presented about 2 trades. Right when it dropped, it took out the low. It presented this trade, presented that trade. Then when it hit this level right here, it gave me a bounce, but not something that I really like. Not something that I really like. If I see it break this 20, I may jump back in, but it's not really a good sign. It's not really a good sign. Like this area might hold up though, but I don't like how close my moving average is. I don't like where it's at. I don't like what the pattern that I'm seeing. I got all signs to show that it's probably gonna drop. me try it one more time. Hold on. If it holds this area, I'm gonna try it one more time. Let me see if that's a good idea. It's so close to this moving average, I don't feel like it's a good idea, but let's try something small. It's one entry. At this point, I gotta make 1,500 to make it back. So yeah, it's not gonna happen. Just gotta keep it real. It might or might not. I'm not gonna say it's not. It might or might not. I mean, I really don't like it, man. I'm gonna stick to my gut. Yeah, I'm in drawdown. Yeah, it's a funny spot. I ain't gonna mess with it. I'm gonna just take my L. Take my L for the day. Like I said, I have the toughest times with 10 a.m. news. Today's a 10 a.m. news day. It was like some consumer confidence bullshit. Show you guys. Consumer confidence bullshit. It fucks up the whole price action, these 10 a.m. fucking news events. So, I'm done. I'll be back tomorrow. I think that's it for me. Thanks for showing up and showing out. Best team on stream. Let's go.